Hey, what's up guys? Here with a unboxing or unpackaging on the shock shield for the iPhone 3G and 3GS sent out by Agent18. You can go over and check them out at www.agent18.com. Retails for a price of about $19.95, and yeah, let's get into this unpackaging. Here's a handy dandy Batman knife. Quick unboxing or unpackaging. Let's see what's in here. Make sure there's no packing slip or anything. Nope, nothing else in there. So let's to the side. And in here we got the iPhone shock shield by Agent18. Fits iPhone 3G, 3GS, plus a screen film and a table stand. So wow, that's nice of Agent18 to send this out. Features, hold on, I don't know if you can see it. As I was saying, it features rugged protection with no slip grip, bump and scratch protection, access to all ports, sensors and connectors, and that is basically how it works. So let's unpackage this case. So inside we got, as we can see here, it's got a nice little cutout for the phone, headphone jack, and volume rockers, and yada yada yada. We're not here for the review yet, so we'll wait for that and get into what else is in the package. So we got a nice little stand right here for the iPhone, right there. Nice little stand. Sorry about that, guys. My camera keeps shutting off because it's saying no more memory, and it just shuts down. And yeah, sorry about that. And yeah, so as I was saying, here's a little stand, nice little Agent18 logo type thing right there. And other stuff that's in the package is a protective screen film. Let's open this up. Nothing else. Protective screen film, insulation, Spanish. Here we have, go to agent18.com for dock adapters, cord, wraps, privacy, yada yada yada. How to install it, screen protector, insulation. I'll be doing all of this in the review. And here it is. Let's just see how it fits on the iPhone 3G, 3GS. Flip it over. Fits very, very nice, actually. Nice little cutout. Nice little cutout for the headphone jack. Sync adapter thing. Hold on, it's focusing out there. Come on. And yeah, there's your unboxing for the Agent18 shock shield for the iPhone 3G and 3GS. Go over and check them out at www.agent18.com for a price of $19.95. Comes in various amount of colors: blue, purple, yellow, orange, pink, and green. So yeah, go ahead and check them out. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.